Hello guys, in this tutorial we'll be guiding you on how to fix Zoom Workspace app connecting problem. So if you're having problems with your Zoom app not connecting, here are a few things that you could do. The first thing you want to do is to go over to the App Store, then search for Zoom, tap on it, and there you have something interesting. We have the Zoom app already and it's asking for an update. Now, if you've not updated your Zoom app for a long while and you've been using an old version, this might cause some connection problems. So go ahead and tap on update and let your Zoom app update. Now, after your Zoom app has been updated, you could try to open the Zoom app once again. If you're still having the problem, another option is to go over to settings, then scroll to general, then select iPhone storage. Then you want to scroll to where you have Zoom. Now you might need to tap on show all so it can show you all the apps. Scroll down to where you have Zoom. Now, if you're trying to locate the Zoom app, you can search for the applications right here at the bottom, tap on applications, search for Zoom, and you'll find it. So you have your Zoom, and you could tap on offload the app. Offloading the app will delete the app but keep the document and its data. You're going to tap on offload the app, and once it's offloaded, you can reinstall the Zoom app in order to have it back where it was. Doing this might help to tweak things up a bit and fix the connecting problem. If this doesn't fix the problem, another thing you could do is to go over to your connection and confirm if your browser is working. You could do this by opening your browser and searching for any page, and if there is a response, then your internet connection is fine. If not, you might need to switch from Wi-Fi to mobile data or vice versa. Trying these options might just help you fix the Zoom connecting problem.